All right, good morning. It is now 10:30. Let's go on up here and take a look at this fascia with the hidden trough. Just about done. Just literally going to be finishing it right now. I'm not sure how I feel about the project. Wasn't at the party, but I don't even know how this piece is going to go. Okay, anyways. I'll make my way down to my last 4 pieces here. Throw them there. Okay, let's climb up. So where I'm walking is now the trough. It all has to be metal put in there. I'm just going to cap this. I guess metal could wrap this and I don't have to do this. I don't know, but it's happening. Makes it look sexy. Beautifully calm out again. Chilly morning. Sun's coming out, so it could turn out to be a beautiful day. So yeah, pretty big piece, we'll call it trough. It will carry a large volume of water, if need be. Look at that, that looks weird. Okay, that's that. I have to still figure out this stupid piece. So this is the side here. It wraps around the side. Oh, I know what I have to do. I have to put a saw curve here. We're going to actually put... What am I doing here? We are actually going to put a... from here to here. Saw curve. And all. We'll see. I don't even know how it's gonna look. Anyways, I'm assuming this will all be metal right here, and it'll all flow into here. Oh, I gotta nail that yet. Anyways, for ease of finishing, I just box this in here. Otherwise, you got to get waterproofing all in there. How do you waterproof way back there? So this will all flow. If there's a piece of metal they bend here, it'll all flow and should go into the trough, theoretically. Okay, so let's see. Not so sure about this. Okay, so it wanted me to be there to there. So let's see what happens if I go from here to here. Take the saw. leave about 1/8 of an inch in there. See what happens. Nope. Yep. Oh, we're framing now. How did I have this? Oh, I had this like this. So it has to stay up. Well, I don't know. What else am I gonna do? It did work pretty good though. Enough. We'll call that good. So that's this front fascia board slash valence slash trough. At the end there's a chimney box, so it'll bump into the chimney box. And I forgot to nail this. Yeah, this is how it looks. Again, that's the courtyard, so there'll be 2 windows and a door out to that. These are just little 2-foot transom windows. They're not high, but they're not very big. Yeah, so then I can actually put this roof on. Fun project. Thanks for watching. You all take care. And we'll see you tomorrow.